Have you ever wondered about what mathematics actually is? Is it about numbers, shapes, maybe even memorizing tons of formulas just to solve some problems and eventually score well in our examinations? Or there's more to it than meets the eye? In this video, let's address that. Suppose we are early human beings from a time when mathematics didn't really exist. We belong to a tribe that lives near a riverbank and we are gatherers. That is, we depend on fishing and collecting eatables from the nearby forest. Suppose one of our friends is sick and we are given a task to get some medicinal plants from the forest. Remember, there is no mathematics, hence no numbers. Now the problem is, how would we know that these many medicinal plants will be sufficient? How can this communication be clearer? Well, our ancestors were really smart. What they did was represent one plant by one small rock or pebble. Let's say the doctor wanted these many plants. Then we will be given these many small rocks which we can carry in our pockets. As soon as we collect one plant, we throw one rock out of our pocket. And we repeat this process till we run out of all rocks from our pocket. When we run out of all the rocks, then we can be sure that we have the required number of plants. But this smart workaround comes at a cost. What if we accidentally drop some of these rocks while running? Or we collect a plant but forget to drop a rock for the same. So to avoid these scenarios, our ancestors and early mathematicians thought to incorporate some letters or symbols into our language so that it is more convenient to communicate how many of something, and that's how counting or natural numbers originated. If you think about it, our ancestors saw a pattern and assigned those many things a particular number. So we saw how there was a need to solve a fundamental problem and mathematics came to help. A very famous astronomer and physicist, Galileo, once said, "Mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe." According to me, this simply means that if we want to do science and explain how things work, we need some mathematics to begin with. I'm sure you must have seen this representation of our solar system. But given how vast our solar system is, can we actually measure this path with our traditional measuring tools like, let's say, a big ruler or a very long rope? Then how do we know that the path of a planetary motion is actually an elliptical path as shown here? Well, apart from a lot of data collection, branches of mathematics like conic sections and calculus combined with Newton's laws of gravitation describes planetary motion mathematically. All our satellites and rockets work because mathematics and science exists. But remember, all of these advanced mathematics are built upon the basic mathematical ideas developed thousands of years ago by our ancestors. So in this video, we got a glimpse of how mathematics is so deeply rooted in science, and on the face of it, it is about solving problems, finding patterns, precise communication, and providing clear explanations behind naturally occurring phenomena.